Hi guys, I'm Jennifer and welcome to my channel, Green Gypsy. In today's video, I'm going to be showing you a new product from Redesign with Prima called Luxe Transfers. I really love these transfers and I know you're going to as well. The first transfer by Redesign with Prima that I'm using is called Romance in Fleur. These new transfers are raised and thick. You just peel off the backer and stick the transfer down onto your project. Then you rub it to make sure it sticks to the surface and then peel the vellum off. As with any transfer, the more intricate designs like this one require a little more rubbing, but these are the easiest transfers I've ever used. The directions on the back of the package say to rub firmly to adhere, then peel off the top sheet. There is no tool needed with these transfers, so you just use your finger. The Luxe transfers are strong, so they will not easily scratch off and no top coat is required. This makes them perfect for glass and ceramics. With this design, I am making sure the tiny pieces adhere to the plate, and if they don't, I lay the top sheet back down and rub again. I had an issue with getting this small piece to transfer. I'm not sure why. Maybe some soap residue was left on the plate. I don't think it's that noticeable, so I just left it that way. There are no cleaning instructions on the package, but I wiped mine with a damp cloth and that worked just fine. I am putting these plates in my shop, so I'm using E6000 to glue a D-ring to the back for hanging. If you do this, make sure to glue the D-ring to the flat part of the plate and not the rim so that it hangs properly on the wall. I'm showing you the Luxe transfers we will be using in today's video. The first package is the one I just used called Romance in Fleur. This package has 2 sheets of black labels. The next is called Daisy Cherry Delight, and it also has 2 pages of transfers. This one is called Fleur de Frame, and it has 2 pages of floral labels. And the finished plate makeovers are coming up. Let me know what you think of the project. I found this cute canister at the thrift store, and when I saw it, I knew exactly what I was going to do with it. I'm using the Luxe Transfer called Fleur de Frame, and I'm trying to decide which design I'm going to go with. I end up using the framed roses. And that's all it took for this makeover. Easy peasy and so cute. For the last makeover on this video, I have a glass cake plate and dome from the thrift store. I thought the Daisy Cherry Delight transfer would be so cute on this cake plate. I cut out all of the cherries and daisies individually and placed them evenly around the dome. I want to take a moment to ask you to subscribe to my channel if you haven't already, and please give my video a thumbs up to help my channel grow, and leave me a comment and let me know if you will be trying these Luxe transfers. And thank you so much for being here today and watching my video.